Ethereum price and Bitcoin price prediction. Almost 5% rebound. What awaits us this weekend? The prices of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, have significantly risen in recent days, regaining over 5% of their worth. Both cryptocurrency investors and aficionados have welcomed this price fluctuation because the market has been trending downward over the past few weeks. Although the recovery is encouraging, everyone is wondering what the weekend may bring. Will the recovery surge last, or will the trend turn around? In this article, we'll evaluate the recent price changes of BTC and ETH and assess the variables that might have an impact on those prices over the weekend. Crypto Market Insights. Basic Outlook Update. The largest cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, BTC, has climbed beyond the $24,000 mark and has been gaining pace all day, despite economic data in the US fueling speculation that the Federal Reserve may increase interest rates more aggressively. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, has also seen tremendous growth and is currently trading above the $1,700 threshold. Investor interest in cryptocurrencies remains high despite recent regulatory moves and speculations. This is because of a number of market-positive trends, including a rise in the use of Bitcoin, BTC, by companies. On the other hand, investors responded favorably to the economic data that was made public on February 14 and February 15, which revealed a 5.6% annual increase in the U.S. Consumer Price Index and a 3% monthly increase in retail sales, respectively. Also, as the market readjusted in anticipation of the long weekend and anticipated indications from the Federal Reserve on how it intended to address the still high inflation, the US dollar started to lose momentum and marginally declined during the day. The weak US dollar was consequently seen as another important factor that positively impacted the price of Bitcoin. The current sentiment and trends in the cryptocurrency market are examined. The value of the global cryptocurrency market has increased and is currently over $1.12 trillion. Most cryptocurrencies saw increases in value throughout the day, maybe in response to US Consumer Price Index, CPI, data for January. The global cryptocurrency market has also been significantly impacted by recent good market developments and the decline in regulatory worries in the industry. The popularity of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has also increased, which has boosted the growth and value of cryptocurrencies. The gains in the cryptocurrency market, however, might not last long given that US economic data have given rise to rumors that the Federal Reserve might intervene more forcefully by raising interest rates to combat persistent inflation. As a result, the future of the cryptocurrency market may be marked by greater ambiguity and volatility. In contrast to expectations for a 0.2% fall, export prices increased by 0.8% on a yearly basis. Also revealed on Thursday were a monthly increase in producer prices in January and fewer applications for unemployment benefits than anticipated for the prior week. These events imply that the US economy might be improving, and as investors consider the potential effects on the value of cryptocurrencies, this could have an impact on the cryptocurrency market. El Salvador establishes first ever Bitcoin embassy. In US, El Salvador has announced intentions to establish the first ever Bitcoin embassy in the United States. The embassy will act as a focal point for promoting Bitcoin, BTC, the most popular cryptocurrency globally. El Salvador was the first nation in the world to accept Bitcoin as legal cash earlier this year. In a new cooperation with the Texas government, the nation is now extending its Bitcoin strategy, which is anticipated to significantly accelerate the adoption and integration of cryptocurrencies in both nations. A Bitcoin embassy, which would represent El Salvador in Texas, has been announced as a result of a partnership between El Salvador and the state of Texas. The goal of this intergovernmental endeavor is to encourage the use of Bitcoin, and the embassy will offer a forum for members to collaborate on the development of fresh ideas. The news was announced on Twitter on February 14 by Milena Mayorga, the Salvadoran ambassador to the United States. The embassy is anticipated to promote the use of Bitcoin on a global scale and to assist establish new alliances between corporations, governments, and cryptocurrency investors. As a result, this event was viewed as one of the primary causes of the most recent increase in BTC prices. The future of Ethereum and the Shanghai upgrade. The network's shift to a proof-of-stake, polonium 2 sulfide, consensus method, which started with the merge on September 15, 2022, will be completed with the Ethereum Shanghai hard fork, which is expected for March 2023. Ether that was previously locked in staking will gradually become liquid again once the Shanghai update is implemented. The unlocking procedure is anticipated to start in December 2022, but Shanghai's deployment has been delayed until then. Around 16.6 million ETH are currently trapped in the proof-of-stake, polonium-2 sulfide, staking mechanism, with a total market value of $28 billion as of February 16, 2023, according to on-chain Etherscan data. With the switch from proof-of-work, POW, to proof-of-stake, polonium-2 sulfide, Ethereum has begun to achieve its original goal of making Ether's supply deflationary. Around 24,800 ETH have been burned in the 154 days since the merge, causing the token's annual basis to deflate by 0.05%. A little more than 10% of the 120 million total Ether supply will be released on February 16. This will result in yield benefits that will be made available following the implementation of the Shanghai upgrade. Bitcoin cost. With a $38 billion trading volume over the past day and the current price of $24,600, Bitcoin has seen a 3% growth. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level of $23,325 served as resistance for Bitcoin before it recovered and began to rise. A purchasing trend in Bitcoin was sparked by the most recent candle closing above this level, which added to the positive market attitude. Going ahead, $25,300 represents the next hurdle for Bitcoin. The BTC price might rise to $26,000 if a bullish crossover takes place over this point. The probability of a long-lasting rising trend in Bitcoin is increased by the 50-day moving average. Investors may think about keeping an eye on the $24,250 level as a potential entry point to buy a long position in Bitcoin in order to profit from this trend. Ethereum cost. With a price of $1,700 and a $9.2 billion 24-hour trading volume, Ethereum has seen a 2.30% increase over the previous day. The ETH/USD pair broke past the important $1,670 resistance level on Saturday, indicating a bullish breakout that may open up additional buying chances up to the $1,750 level. The $1,825 and $1,875 levels could be reached by ETH's price if a breakout over $1,750 is successful. On the other hand, the $1,670 level serves as immediate support for Ethereum, and a breakdown below that level could result in a sell-off towards the $1,550 level. In general, it is advisable for investors to keep a careful check on the $1,670 level for prospective buying opportunities as well as any potential breakouts or collapses.